Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So for our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about special products. Special products. These are binomials and trinomials that when you multiply the products form a pattern. Such are called special products. Using the laws of exponents, you will be able to find the product of a square of a binomial, b sum and difference of binomials, c cube of binomials, and letter D square of a trinomial. So let us first discuss about the square of a binomial. Let us first discuss about the square of a binomial. So we have quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So remember, a is your first term, b is your second term. So a squared is the square of the first term. 2ab is twice the product of first and second term. And b squared is the square of the second term. Okay, tatandaan natin lagi nating i-apply yan. Okay, let us try. Quantity a minus b squared. So our first term here is a and our second term here is negative b. Okay, apply natin. A squared, so ibig sabihin square ng first term which is a squared plus twice the product of the first term and the second term. So 2 times a times negative b plus b squared which is negative b squared. Okay, let us simplify. A times a is equal to a squared plus 2 times a is equal to 2a times negative b, we have negative 2ab plus negative b times negative b is equal to b squared. Kaya ayusin na lang natin yung signs. So a squared, positive times negative is negative 2ab plus b squared. Okay, para maintindihan natin lalo, meron pa ako ditong halimbawa. Quantity 2x plus 3 squared. So our first term is 2x and our second term is 3. Okay, let us apply a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So una is the square of the first term which is 2x. So 2x squared plus twice the product of the first term which is 2x and the second term plus the square of the second term. So 3 squared. Let us simplify. 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared plus 2 times 2x is equal to 4x times 3. So we have 12x plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Quantity 2x plus 3 squared is equal to 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, sa panghalimbawa, we have quantity x minus 2y squared. So our first term is x and our second term is 2y, negative 2y. Okay, let us apply. Square muna ng first term which is x. So x squared plus twice the product of the first term and the second term plus the square of the third term. Okay, let us solve. We have x times x is equal to x squared plus 2 times x is equal to 2x times negative 2y. We have negative 4xy. Then plus negative 2y times negative 2y is equal to positive 4y squared. So we have x squared. Positive times negative is equal to negative 4xy plus 4y squared. So, quantity x minus 2y squared is equal to x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. Now, let us talk about the square of a trinomial. So, we have quantity a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Okay? Here, a is our first term, b is our second term, c is our third term. So, a squared, ni-square lang natin yung first term. Yung b squared, square naman dyan, ini-square natin yung second term. C squared, ini-square naman natin yung second term. C squared, ini-square naman natin yung third term. Then 2ab, this is twice the product of the first term and the second term. Then 2ac, twice the product of the first term and the third term. While 2bc is twice the product of the second term and the third term. Okay, let's have an example. We have quantity 2x plus y negative 3z squared. Okay, let us determine which is a. So, yung a natin is 2x, b is y, c is negative 3z. Okay, let us apply this one. Sa substitute lang natin. So, a is 2x. So, 2x squared plus b is y squared plus c is negative 3z squared. Plus 2, yung a natin is 2x, ab, y, plus 2ac, 2x times negative 3z, plus 2 times bc, which is y, times negative 3z. 2x squared is 4x squared, plus y squared is equal to y squared. Negative 3z times negative 3c is equal to positive 9z squared plus 2 times 2x is equal to 4x times y. So, we have 4xy plus 2 times 2x is equal to 4x times negative 3z. We have negative 12xz plus 2 times y is equal to 2y times negative 3c. We have negative 6yz. So, next step is to simplify pa. So, we have 4x squared plus y squared plus 9z squared plus 4xy. So, positive times negative is equal to negative 12xy. Positive times negative is equal to negative 6yz. So, another example, we have quantity 3x minus 2y plus z squared. So, our letter A here is 3x. Letter B is equal to negative 2y. Letter C is equal to z. Okay, let us apply again. So, we have a squared, which is 3x squared plus b squared is negative 2y squared plus c squared, so z squared plus 2ab, so 3x times negative 2y plus 2ac, so 2 times 3x times z plus 2bc, so 2 times negative 2y times z. Okay, let us solve. 3x times 3x is equal to 9x squared. Negative 2y times negative 2y is equal to positive 4y squared plus z squared plus 2 times 3x is equal to 6x times negative 2y. We have negative 12xy plus 2 times 3x is equal to 6x times z. We have 6xz. So, plus 2 times negative 2y times z. We have negative 4yz. Okay, next, let us simplify pa. So, 9x squared plus 4y squared plus z squared. Positive times negative is equal to negative 12xy plus 6xz positive times negative is equal to negative 4yz. Now, let us talk about the sum and difference of two binomials. So, quantity a plus b, when you multiplied it to quantity a minus b, we have a squared minus b squared. So, kung natatandaan nyo, kapag gagamit tayo ng FOIL method, diba, yung mga first term muna yung multiply natin. So, a times a plus the product of the outer term, which is a, then negative b, then the product of the inner term, which is b and a. So, a times b. Then, the product of the second term. So, b times negative b. So, when we solve this, we have a times a is equal to a squared. A times negative b is equal to negative ab. Then, plus a times b is equal to ab. Then, positive b times negative b, we have negative b squared. So, ito, a squared is equal to negative ab plus positive ab. So, makakancel siya. So, ang matitira natin is a squared minus b squared. So, for our example, we have quantity x plus 2y multiplied to quantity x minus 2y. So, our sagot natin dyan is x squared. Then, negative b squared, negative. Ano ba yung b squared natin? 2y. So, pag ni-square natin siya, we have 2y times 2y. So, x squared, negative. 2 times 2 is equal to 4y squared. So, this is another example. Quantity 2a squared minus 3b multiplied to quantity 2a squared plus 3b. So, we have here, yung a natin dito, siya si 2a squared. Then, si b naman, siya naman si 3b. So, let us substitute lang, a squared, so 2a squared, may squared pa. Minus b squared, 3b squared. So, solve muna natin yung nasa loob. Ito tong may exponent muna. Then, ito. So, let us solve yung una muna. 2a squared times 2a squared, we have 4a raised to the 4th power minus 3b times 3b, we have 9b squared. Okay, another example. We have bracket x plus quantity 3a minus 2 multiplied to the product of bracket x minus quantity 3a minus 2. So, yung a natin dito is x. Then, our b is 3a minus 2. Let us solve a squared. So, we have x squared minus b squared. So, we have 3a minus 2 squared. So, expand nga natin yung squared natin na b. So, we have 3a minus 2 times 3a minus 2. So, let us solve 3a minus 2 times 3a minus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. The next, negative 2 times 3a, we have negative 6a. 3a times negative 2, we have negative 6a. 3a times 3a is equal to 9a squared. Now, let us get the partial product. So, bring down 4, so positive 4. Negative 6a plus negative 6a is equal to negative 12a. Then, bring down 9a squared. X squared minus quantity of 3a minus 2 multiplied to quantity of 3a minus 2. We have 9a squared minus 12a plus 4. So, this is our final answer. Now, let's talk about the cube of a binomial. So, we have quantity a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Pag negative naman siya, ganito naman yung sagot. Quantity a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Okay, halimbawa, quantity 2x plus 3y cube. So, ang gagamitin natin is this one, since positive yung nasa gitna. Okay, so our a is 2x and our b is 3y. So, a cube. So, magiging 2x cube plus 3 times a, which is 2x squared, times b, 3y, plus 3a, which is 2x, b, 3y squared, plus 3y cube. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So, 8x cube plus, ito muna, 3 times 2x is equal to 4x squared times 3y plus 3 times 2x. 3y times 3y is equal to 9y squared. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 times 3. So, we have 27y cube. So, 8x cube plus, muna natin yung mga whole numbers. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then, x squared y plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Xy squared plus 27y cubed. So, this is our final answer. Another example. We have quantity 3a minus 2 cube. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin dito ay ito, since negative yung given niya. So, negative din. Then, we will find the first term. So, ang first term natin is 3a. And our second term is 2. Okay, let us substitute. A cube, so we have 3a cube minus 3 a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. Okay, let us solve. 3 times 3 times 3 or 3a times 3a times 3a is equal to 27a cube minus, isolve muna natin ito. So, kopyahin natin si 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9a squared times 2 plus 3 times 3a. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Now, let us simplify. 27a cube minus 3 times 9 is equal to 27 times 2. So, we have 54a squared plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 9 times 4 is equal to 36a minus 8. So, the cube of this binomial is 27a cube minus 54a squared plus 36a minus 8. Remember, we have the following special products. So, in square of a binomial, we have quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Quantity a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In a square of a trinomial, quantity a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. In sum and difference of two binomials, we have quantity a plus b multiplied to quantity a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. In cube of a binomial, we have quantity a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Quantity a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So, thank you for listening. Sana meron kayo natutunan. I am your virtual teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!